At the Equip Expo, we got to see a huge variety of the latest outdoor power equipment from some of the biggest name brands. Among them was Ryobi, which showed off the newest addition to its 80-volt lawn care lineup. The Ryobi 80-volt 30-inch self-propelled lawnmower ushers in some major upgrades to the brand's walk-behind roster. This is Ryobi's first 80-volt walk-behind model. Right now, Ryobi's 80-volt lineup consists of 3 ride-on mowers, so seeing them add a walk-behind mower really supplements their available products, and we love that it uses the same batteries. Speaking of batteries, a 10 amp hour 80-volt suitcase-style battery, and that gives you 720 watt-hours, provides a higher capacity than you'll get from the 40-volt slide packs that Ryobi uses in its other mowers. In fact, you can expect up to 90 minutes of cutting on a full charge, and that's 20 more minutes than you get with their next highest capacity model, the Whisper Series 21-inch Crosscut mower. It features 4 blades, 2 pairs of stacked blades right next to each other. Essentially, it combines the Crosscut stack blade and side-by-side blade concepts all in one. The combination allows for better cut quality and lets you do more than you'd get with a single higher mass blade. The design gives this mower a 30-inch total cutting width. That's a huge cut capacity for an electric walk-behind mower and definitely gets you into that professional cutting territory. Depending on whether you want to mulch or bag, a movable lever in the back changes modes in one fluid motion and eliminates the need for a removable mulch plug. When you finish mowing, the Ryobi 80-volt self-propelled lawnmower's handle folds down completely for compact storage. To engage this feature, simply pull up on the handle release lever and push the handle down to the mower's body. When you buy this as a kit, you get the lawnmower and the 80-volt 10 amp hour battery, and you also get the 80-volt supercharger. While there isn't any pricing information publicly available yet, we'll know more leading up to its 2023 release. Like all Ryobi products, it'll be available exclusively at the Home Depot. Have any questions about this mower? Feel free to leave those in the comments below. And hit that like button on this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more. As always, thanks for watching.